Action part. Ang gabi na nagpabago ng lahat.
So, Jennifer is sacrificed by indie boy band dudes, symbolizing how both men and indie music are gross.
Sumasang-ayon ako nakadiri yung mga lalaki, pero wala akong opinion sa indie boy bands. Meron akong gustong indie boy band, yung Vampire Weekend. Pero hindi ko naman naisip nakadiri sila.
As both the demon and also the victim of her own hypersexualization.
Is also
Parehas na reaction.
super gay.
Sinabi ni Olivia. Yun lang din maisasagot ko, super gay. Si Megan Fox daw yung devil sa part-timer yung anime.
Say that in front of a straight boy and you will get a copy of Fight Club in your spleen. I can take
Ako na
them.
lalaki nga, hindi ko gusto ng Fight Club eh.
Well, I went to an Imagine
Also,
Dragons concert
maidagdag
once,
ko,
and I actually
yung
got
anime na
sacrificed by a dude who
Ipumakunochi
was, like,
o
mid-level
Knockout sa
famous
Channel
already
7, yung movie daw na Fight
did
Club,
see a
iisa.
lead figure on an incel forum once.
Talaga ba? Pumunta ka sa Imagine Dragons concert? Parang binanggit mo na 1 bilyong beses eh.
Megan Fox is literally a hot demon who kills men. That's the dream.
Tama siya, that is the dream.
So, when's the scene?
What scene?
Oh, you know, the scene with Needy and Jennifer.
The fridge?
No, the kiss.
Oh.
So ngayon makikita mo ng parallel kay sa Jennifer's body, kay Megan Fox tsaka kay Olivia. Pare silang succubi o sex demon. Nahihigupin ang buhay mo after display of affection. Itong kiss na to, itong pangyayari na to, ang sisira sa buhay ni Queen forever.
Yesterday you were this cheerleader. Now, you're...
Your cheerleader?
Cheerleader mo ba talaga si Olivia o pinaglalaroan ka lang?
You wouldn't kiss
Yun
your
lang
best
dahilan
friend
kung
in
bakit ka
the sad
nagsisisi
bathroom.
dahil best friend mo. So, okay lang makipagalikan sa
He's so
kapwa
sad.
lalaki
Guilt
sa
cannot be exchanged for
bathroom ng
goods or
pizza.
services.
He had a cork board. Everyone knows the gays don't apply themselves.
3 extra large pizza dahil sa awa. Ito na naman yung running joke na gay hindi matalino. Walang kaya yung gay. Love it.
Romeo Huntington Cohen.
Correct. Then on August 23rd, you kissed Mickey McPherson.
What? That's his real name?
Did you?
Best
Or
friend
did
mo
you
si
not
Nikki pero di mo
kiss
alam
him?
full name niya.
Yearning?
None.
Emphasis ko to, bibigyan kong diin. She said yearning, hindi urinating. Nagahangad, hindi naiihi. Wag kayong kadiri.
You did not call him, and you got bangs? Could it be possible something happened over those 2 days to drive the decision?
See, yung bangs hindi lang pang K-pop.
You're an idiot.
Yes, idiot.
I don't think I already know
Ayun
that.
yung pinapahiwatig buong movie.
Close the door,
Kata kayo mga bakla.
What is your persona?
Do you want to get something to drink?
No, I don't drink. So, when did you start showing signs?
Are we supposed to be getting to know each other?
Mukhang nahawa ka kay Queen ng awkward. Socially awkward.
Moon, Libra rising. So, is there like a place where all of you meet up?
I'm leaving.
Wait, I made flashcards!
Well, ayun yung problema mo, Saray. Tinuring mong assignment kaysa literal na human interaction.
It's not here.
I'm here for you.
Wow. Meron pa palang puso si Bidibidibid.
Oh.
Are you okay?
I've just been thinking. You know that girl from the other night?
Yeah, the one you talked to at the party?
I didn't actually talk to her. What if she knows
Knows what?
that I'm like this? What if she knows and she tells everyone?
I don't follow.
I'm the scarred. Everyone just keeps poking it, because why wouldn't they?
Zoe, no, you're not.
Look at us, Mickey. You said it yourself at the party. We're not like them. I just woke up this morning and thought everyone can see it.
Behind every smile
You know,
is one
Look,
bad
Just
day.
come distract yourself with us. We're making a list of all of the homoerotic moments in Great Gatsby so we can
Kawawang
annoy
Mr.
Mr.
Collins.
Collins.
any normal
Laging
teenager
labasan ng
could
sama
just
ng
go to a
loob ng
party.
mga
Why
bakla.
can't I do that?
Ginagawa pang kasiyahan. Yes, exactly. Lahat ng teenager tinatanong yan. Bakit di ako makapunta sa party ng normal na ng parang normal na tao?
Can I sit with you?
Marunong makadamay si Abangan ang part